So this is an internal nasal dilator.
I love
it's
it.
called a mute, and you actually, so you administer it perfectly. So it actually goes inside the nose, and it actually opens up the nostrils. The thing to remember is snoring is actually air turbulence. So anywhere that there's a narrowness in the hose that basically goes from your nose into your sinuses, anywhere it gets narrow, we want to make it bigger because it'll make the air move slower, less snoring.
It feels good.
Yeah, you can actually really feel a different
It's
breathing.
really sexy, too. And